All right, so let's compare what this looks like if we are dropping an object with a parachute in air versus without air. So first let's look at what happens when there's air. It falls, we open the parachute, its velocity decreases. And you can see here the graph. So here it's falling, then we have the moment when the parachute opens and that velocity plummets down to a new and different terminal velocity. Now let's look at what happens if we do this, but there's no atmosphere, so there's no air to provide air resistance. Here, if we hit play, you can see it falls, we open the parachute, and the parachute just makes no difference. You can see the graph here is a straight line, which means that every second that goes by, the velocity of that soccer ball increased by about 10 meters per second. So after 1 second, it had a speed of 10 meters per second. After 2 seconds, it had a speed of 20 meters per second, and it hit the ground before it hit 3 seconds, but if it had kept falling for 3 seconds, its velocity would have been 30 meters per second. So you can see from this that in order for a parachute to work, there must be air, because parachutes use air resistance to create a new and different terminal velocity.